Hi. You got your stuff? Yeah? Do you need more? This is for you. I mean, I'm sorry. This is for you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, eat good, okay? All right. What is your name?
Andrew.
Andrew. Okay.
Yes, dear.
Okay. You can enjoy, buy something to drink or pizza. Okay. Bye, Andrew. Bye. Nakita ko yung pangalan niya, Andrew. So, malamig. At saka mukha siyang gutom. Halatang nasa daan na yun matagal na dahil yung buhok niya parang naging pugad na. So, syempre, meron naman akong pera dyan. Sabi ko, pambili niya ng pizza niya. Okay naman siya, hindi naman ako natatakot sa ganyan. Basta't nandun ka lang sa safe na place. So, sinabi pa niya yung pangalan niya, Andrew. Sabi ko, bili ka ng pizza pa. Yun lang po ang na-share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! The drive lang po ako.